Good morning! Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Marami po nagtatanong kasi what is shadow technique versus copy trading natin, and in this video, i-breakdown natin ano ba ang main difference ng mga ito. So, if you are following this, subscribe ka para malaman mo more mga updates natin regarding this one. Let's go! If you're ready, boom! Alright, so in this video, pag-uusapan natin ano bang talagang main difference ng shadow technique and copy trading. So, ito na, breakdown natin. So, there are three P's na pwede nating pag-usapan. Ano ba pinakaiba ng shadow technique and copy trading? First, profile. Let's talk about the profile. So, unahin natin si shadow technique. Kung ikaw yung gusto na high risk and high gains, kay shadow technique ka. Of course, kasi maraming pairs kang pwedeng i-trade dito and at the same time, more opportunities for you to earn. Okay? And if ikaw yung tipong oras na gusto mo mag-allocate ng more time or may extra time ka pwedeng matutunan yung trading journey mo via shadow technique, this is for you. Of course, shadow technique is 100% manual, so definitely dapat mag-commit ka ng oras dito. So last but not the least, ikaw gusto mong bumilis yung learning curve mo in your trading in Forex, shadow technique yung piliin mo. Okay? So, explain ko yan sa process because shadow technique is 100% manual. Okay? 100% manual. Kasi dito ang gagawin, bibigyan ka namin tinatawag na signal account. Sa signal account na yan, kokopyahin mo yung best trades ni robot 100% manually. So, basically, wala ka. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, mangungopya ka lang. Pero ikaw rin ang pipindot. So, natututo ka na. May malaking potential na kumita ka pa. Bakit po? Because you're only copying based on statistics yung tinatawag na best trades ni robot. Yung best trades niya, hindi yung worst trades niya. So, bahala siya mag-trade. Then, pag tuturo namin sa'yo saan yung best trades niya, then from there, kukopyahin mo siya 100% manual. Ang goal mo dito is of course to learn the platform. Okay? And to watch the video on how you can copy and access yung signal account. So, platform navigation and signal account. Then, may community ibibigay sa'yo para makapagtanong ka kung nahihirapan ka. Last but not the least, the profits. Profits are massively unlimited. Because if you follow only the proper process, since marami kang opportunities na kopyahin, the profits can really, gusto mo mabilisang kagad kitaan. Ito yon para sa'yo. Kasi marami kang opportunity under shadow technique. Kasi ikaw yung pipindot. The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you grow, the more you earn. So under shadow technique, nabibilisan yung learning curve mo. At the same time, nagkakaroon ka ng idea paano ka kumita more on the process of your Forex journey. Yan. So of course, i-breakdown din naman natin ano yung copy trading naman. Okay, let's start with the profile. Kung ito yung medyo talagang hirap ka sa time at gusto mo lang talaga medyo passive, okay, copy trading is for you. Kasi sa copy trading, si robot or kami na po yung magte-trade for you, kinokopya mo or mini-mirror mo yung trades po namin. So tinatawag dito, you can also call this mirror trading, okay, or robot trading, pwede rin niya mo rin tawagin. Okay? So, also, if zero talaga at ayaw mo ma-overwhelm sa information, zero knowledge ka talaga, then you can start with copy trading. Because in copy trading, the only process you have to do is to follow how the platform works, and successfully only copy your master trader. So, kailangan lang makopy mo, mapatapos mo yung buong process para makopya mo na si manual trader. Okay, so ang gagawin mo kasi dito, kokopyahin mo lang talaga si master trader. Yun lang talaga yung gagawin mo. Then, bantay-bantay ka na lang sa profits. Because on the profit side, ang advantage and disadvantage ito, you get the worst and the best trades ng master trader. Of course, under Traders PH, ang goal kasi natin is capital protection. And of course, most of our copy trading services or mirror trading services are considered low risk settings. Okay? So between 1 to 5% ang potential profits, and the rest is also from 5 to 15% drawdown as well. So depend per month yan, per month. Okay, per month. But of course, with 1 to 5%, maganda na rin yan. Especially na wala ka namang ginagawa. Kinangungopya ka lang. So, kung ikaw yung tipong talagang zero knowledge, you can really start with copy trading. Pero kung ikaw naman yung zero knowledge pero gusto mo, yes, I really want to learn more. By learning more, I can earn more. Then you can also do shadow trading. Can you do this both? Yes, definitely yes. Pwede mo siyang isabay, nangungopya ka, and also the shadow technique. Of course, you need to give yourself a lot of time and a lot of effort to learn both, and patience, no, to achieve your goals in life. Yun lang naman po. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video. Of course, this is Mr. Wise Investor John P. Ang ka-discard trader mo sa investing na easy para sa mga taong busy. Bye!